Hi everyone, this is Dongguan Jincheng Luggage as a factory focused on developments and productions of ABS, ABS plus PC, PP luggage and accessories. We have good qualities and competitive price. Today, let me show this luggage for you. As you can see, this is a PP material. PP material have a strong data release. There are also special material effects. After testing, there will be no crash when the car presses on it. You can see this string. We have two types of lock: combination lock and TSA lock. This is a TSA lock. TSA locks can be convenient for customs staff to open the luggage without damage. We have a different style of silence wheels. This wheel will be more stable and used on the road. After a long time of use, it can also quite smooth. About the leg lengths, customer can customize the leg lengths as need, such as repair zipper, neck pockets, and if you need to change the wheel, repair zipper can facilitate the repair of luggage. This is a repair zipper. We have different shapes of PP fit, such as square and olive and round, which can meet different appearance requirements. There are two types of trolleys. Aluminum trolley. This is an aluminum trolley and iron trolley. Aluminum trolley is better than iron trolley in appearance, fluence, and strength. The iron trolley is also in lust for daily use, but more people will use aluminum trolley because it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful and smooth. We can customize the luggage according to customers' requirements. Printings on the trolleys and handle, of leggings. Customizations of package cartons, paints on inlines the logos on shape, and so on. Various customized service can meet the requirements of our customers.
Hello everyone, this is Maggie from Dongguan Jincheng Luggage. We make product ABS, ABS plus PC, PP luggage, and accessories. Today, let me introduce one of our popular in the market for you. Here we go. First, ABS cell. The surface of cell is very well system and can be made into frost or glossy style with high plasticity. Even if you scratch it with a tool, there will be no marks on the surface. The frosted style has coarse thread and fine thread. The fine thread will appear more luxurious. Wheel. PP materials make the wheel super silent, smooth, heat resistant, and abrade resistant. Lock. This is combination lock. Combination system lock. The preset lock is 000. Resetting the code allows customer to keeping the belonging safe. Handle. PVC material. Hand feeling comfortable. This type handle has strong bearing capacity. PP fit. We have a different shape of PP fit, such as square, olive, and round. which can meet different appearance requirements. Next, trolley. The type is made of well-chosen and highly purified materials, the thickness of which is 0.8 mm, is very fluent and strength. We have many other quality trolley for you to select. Finally, the lining. High density 210D lining. Coated with the sponge. Much made the suitcase more tear resistant. Thicker elastic band and stronger buckle. Made the suitcase much more acceptable. Finally, let me tell you, we can customize the luggage according to the customer requirement. Welcome to our factory. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Dongguan Jincheng Luggage as a factories focus on developments and productions of ABS, ABS plus PC, PP luggage and accessories. We have good qualities and competitive price. Today, let me show this luggage for you. As you can see, this is an ABS plus PC material. The appearance is very beautiful and can be made into bright colors. ABS plus PC can emit different textures such as carbon fiber textures and wood textures and so on. We have two types of lock, condition lock and TSA lock. TSA lock can be convenient for custom staff to open the luggage without damage. You can see the different lock. And we have different styles of silence wheel. This wheel will be more stable when used on the road after a long time of use. It can also quite smooth. About the lighting, customer can customize the lighting as need, such as replaceable. This is a replaceable and networking. If you need to change the wheels, replaceable can facilitate the repair of luggage. And we have a different shape of PP feet. And look at this. This is a PP feet, such as square, oval, and round, which can meet different appearance requirements. There are two types of trolley. Aluminum trolley and iron trolley. Aluminum trolley is better than iron trolley in appearance, fluence, and strength. The iron trolley is also in use for daily use, but more people will use aluminum trolley because it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful and smooth. We can customize the luggage according to customers' requirements, printing on the trolleys and handle of linking, customizations of package cartons, and so on. Diverse customized service can meet the requirements of our customer. Thank you.